Yeah, guys, I'm sharing my screen. Balvir. Yeah, I am sharing my screen. Yeah, I don't know what is happening. Am I audible? Guys, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
Yes, Shekhar, I can hear you.
yeah. See, this is SSIS is a ETL tool, and then SSRS is a reporting tool, and then SSAS is the analysis. This is the data warehouse. Okay. What is the meaning of ETL tool? Extraction, transformation, and then load. So this SSIS tool is an integration tool, which is used to bring the data from the, suppose, let's consider we have a, one second, suppose new. Suppose let's consider. So here I will explain you in the flow chart. Suppose let's consider you have a file, you have a file, and you have a file one. This is file one. This is file two, and this is the database. Okay, I can say this is the Oracle database, and then this is DB to DB. So I can say these are the data source. What is the meaning of data source, guys? Any idea? What is the meaning of data source? What is the meaning of data source?
The place where our data resides.
Yeah, where the
Data
source,
is stored.
yeah, where the data is stored, where the client has placed, where the client, suppose if you are working for the one of the project, example, Apollo customer, Apollo customer. So you are working for the one of the project called Apollo Pharmacy, and Apollo Pharmacy is going to place their source data in particular shared location. They may be share the data in a file. They may be share the data in the database. They may be share the data in the other database. So all those can be called as a data source. Now, so this is a file one. I can say this is CSV file. This is MS Access file. Okay, MS Access file. and then this is Oracle database, this is DB2 database. Now the data is available, Apollo Pharmacy data is available in CSV file, MS Access file, no, second source is MS Access file, third source is Oracle DB, and fourth source is DB2 database. Now tell me guys, whatever the data is available in the different source, entire data is in same format or in different format? Tell me guys. Whatever the data is available in the different source, CSV file, MS Access, and then Oracle DB. My question is, all those, whatever the data is there, that is the same format or different format?
Different format.
Different formats.
Different format, not into same format, right? Now, Apollo Pharmacy senior leadership, Apollo Pharmacy senior leadership, they wanted to do the analysis on entire data and then do the analysis and then make the decision. Is it possible to do the analysis now? If the data is available in a different place, this is available in the one place, this is available in another place, this is available in another place, this is also available in the other place. They wanted to do their entire business data analysis and then make the decision. Is it possible to do the analysis now if the data is available in the different format and then different place? Guys,
No, no.
no, because data is available in the data is available. Source 1 is available in the one country, source 2 is available in the another country, source 3 is available in the another country, source 4 is available in the another country in a different format. But they wanted to do the analysis, of their entire business. Now, what you need to do? You need to collect this entire data. And then convert this entire data into a single format and then load the data into the single place. For this, you are going to use ETL tool. Or else any tool. Usually it is an ETL tool. We should not use 1 second. Or else integration. Yeah. Relationship. Integration. AW stuff function. Simple notification service. Or else I will do one thing. I will place. This is your ETL tool. You are going to connect this ETL tool with all these different sources. You are going to connect with all these different data sources. Okay. You are going to connect all these different sources. Okay. And then here database. This is the database or data warehouse. Database. This is DB. This is DB or data warehouse. Okay, I will write a shortcut. So from here you are going to load the data in a single place. What is the purpose of this ETL tool is? You are going to collect the data from the different data sources and convert the different format data into a single format and then load this data by using an ETL to load this data into a single place. Load this data into a single place. That is in a database, either a data warehouse. Now, this CSV file, MS Access file, Oracle database, Teradata database as converted into a single format and then loaded the data into the your SQL Server database. Now, entire data is converted. The entire data is available in the same format now. Now, they can able to Apollo Pharmacy people reports. Report. They can able to generate the reports according to their requirement. They can able to generate the n number of reports. N number of reports. N number of reports. They can able to generate the n number of reports. They can able to generate the n number of reports according to their requirement. Right? As the data is available in the database or data warehouse, using your MSBI tools, ETL tool is your SSIS tool. Using an SSIS tool, you are going to collect the data from the different data sources, which is available in a different formats and a different place, and you will convert that different format data into a same format by using a ETL. You will bring the data and then you will convert the data and then load the data into the database, either SQL Server database or else in a SSIS. You can load the data is a data warehouse is also one of the central repository where you can load the data. Database is also where you can load the data. Either data warehouse or database, you will load the data. Now it is converted into a single format by using a ETL tool, that is SSIS, and then load the data into the data warehouse. Now, as the data is available in a single format and from the different source, from the different location, entire data is available in the single place. By using a SSRS tool, then Apollo Pharmacy senior leadership, they can able to generate their data and then they can do the analysis on their data. Now, why I have introduced this part in the slides means I am going to, as part of this session, I am going to introduce I am going to introduce little bit on ETL tool. I am going to create some 2 to 3 packages. I am going to create some 2 to 3 SSRS reports. So that you will be having an idea what is SSIS, what is SSRS. You can mention you have created small packages, you have created the small reports, you have a knowledge. So you will explain in the interview that you are the core part is SQL Server development, writing a code, writing a stored procedure, writing a functions, writing a views, writing a subqueries, writing a SQL queries. Apart from that, where I have a knowledge on the SSIS, where I have a knowledge on the SSRS, if I get the opportunity in the project, I will enhance my skill set and then learn the things within 1 week or 2 weeks. I can able to cope up with the technology and easily I can survive with the project so that we can proceed further. Like that you can explain. So this is what that's why I am going to introduce the same thing, whatever I have explained in the flow chart. Guys, each and every session, my session will be like this only. I am going to draw the diagrams, I am going to draw the flow charts, and I am going to explain not like in a theoretical things. Everything I am going to draw the flow charts, everything, each and every concepts, I will draw the diagrams and explain to you. So that easily you can able to understand, easily you can able to grasp, and easily you can able to make the document and the notes so that it will be easy to remember. Now, so whatever I have explained in the diagram, the same thing. This is the data source. You are going to extract. You are going to extract the data, transform, convert the data into a single format, and then load the data into the database or data warehouse, and you are going to generate the reports here. This is the business intelligence. Business intelligence, you will collect the data from the different database and you will analyze the data from the database or database and you will generate the reports. That is the overall business intelligence. So apart from our SQL Server development, I am going to introduce little bit from the SSIS, from the SSRS. So that at least 2 to 3 packages, 2 to 3 SSIS from the 2 to 3 packages, 2 to 3 reports from the SSRS. So that you will be having a confident on yourself, you can be able to explain so that they will also understand that apart from the SQL Server development, this associate is having a little bit knowledge on the SSIS, so that we can give the opportunity to this guy, so that it will be work properly. So this is all about today's session, guys. Now tell me, you are clear or not clear? You have any questions? You can ask any questions. I don't want to take all the things in a single session, because it will be overloaded. It will be overloaded. We will at least to settle down in the concept, to settle down in the technology. We will be in the little bit slow. Once you guys are comfortable on the terminologies topics, then little bit we will increase the speed. But for now, we will be slowly raise the wind. Like that, we can go with the little bit slow. Now tell me, guys. I am done with my discussion for today. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Any,
So, Shekhar, you will be covering BI part in this course, right?
not that is what BI part is an ocean. BI part is an ocean. I am not going to complete. That is complete. So those are the separate. SSIS is one course. SSRS is one course. SSAS is one course. Complete again. So I am not
So,
going to.
in which, so if we want to become a BI developer, what order we have to follow and what all tools we have to learn?
SSIS and then SSRS. SSAS is not required. If you want to become a BI developer, these two, if you learn these two tools, that is enough.
And you teach these two tools also.
No, I'm not going. I'm
You,
not going to. I'm not going to teach end to end all those tools. My course is
not
SQL
in,
Server.
not in this training, will but do you teach these two tools?
Yes, I teach. Yeah, I have robust experience. I have good experience on all those these tools. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. What all tools do we have to learn, and in which order do we have to learn these tools to become a BI developer?
See, that is what. See, if you want to become a BI developer, SQL Server, SQL Server development. Okay, SSIS, SSRS. Why initially? Why I am not recommend you guys means it will become a huge. You can't digest. So that first initially focus on this. Okay, and get the job, and start learning on this. That is my suggestion. This is first option.
If we are if we are planning to build a career in SQL Server and we are targeting a role of a SQL Server developer, are we expected to have expertise in Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL also?
No. If you learn the SQL Server database, then you will be the SQL Server developer. No need to learn all those things.
I saw your CV in which you have mentioned all these other RDBMS also,
No, I have given
other RDBMS software.
where in slide.
Yesterday you gave us a walkthrough of your profile, na, in which
That's
you have shared that.
no. That is okay. See, I have experience on different. I have experience on different technologies, but I worked. So I have more experience, right, Mayank?
Yeah, sure.
I have more experience, right? See, I will tell you. If you are perfect in SQL Server development, if you are perfect in SQL Server development, these things are all nothing for you. These things are all nothing for you.
Okay, sir.
Within 1 week, you can able to easily convert. Usually, you can able to work here Oracle, Teradata, Snowflake, and all. But if that's whatever it is, if you're perfect in Oracle, then you can able to learn all these things. If you're perfect in Teradata, you can able to learn in Oracle. That is what my recommendation is: be perfect in one database. Be perfect end to end. End to end. Whatever the topics you need to learn for the database developer, work on that. Work on that. Get a job, get the experience, and then do the experiment. But you have to be perfect in the one area. Recently what happened last 2 years back, I didn't have even single 1 day experience on the Teradata. I didn't had any prior experience on Teradata. Directly I got an opportunity, or I got in a project that I need to work on the migration project. The code is available in the SQL Server. you need to migrate this code into the Teradata. But I don't have any experience in Teradata, but I am strong in SQL Server. Okay, whatever the code is there in the SQL Server, you need to be migrate into the Teradata with the help of Google, with the help of something material. What are the same syntax is available in the Teradata? So we have completed the task. The code was 5,000 lines, 10,000 lines, more than that. The complex SQL code. That is doesn't matter. Once you are perfect in any of the area, then easily you can able to switch into the other database. That is what I can able to assure you. Clear, guys?
Okay, sir.
Mayank, Deepak, Sachin,
Yes.
Bhavik.
Yes, yes.
Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Any doubts? Guys, any doubts?
Sir, one question. Sir, one question.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, we need to be like logically strong to learn this technology. Is it like that?
No, I didn't get you. I didn't.
We need to be logically strong to learn this technology, like SQL Server.
You need to learn the SQL Server. That's it. You no need to learn everything.
No, logically strong. We have to build our logic, like we are learning programming languages.
Okay.
So I just want to know whether we have to be logical strong. We have to
Not
build a
required.
logic.
Not required. Not required here. See, as part of
Are we expected to have a good mathematical aptitude for learning SQL Server?
No. Not like that.
There are a lot of mathematical functions like aggregate functions, set operators. There are various tools that or inbuilt functions that are in
That
SQL
is
Server.
okay. That is okay. See, if you learn the SQL Server functionality, easily you can work. Easily you can work. There is no
In the
fundamental.
beginning,
There is no
Shekhar,
fundamental.
in the beginning, it looks very easy to understand, very easy to follow. But when the when we get dig into the subject now and the queries get complex, there are multiple functions, multiple joins are there, and there are multiple database objects that we are dealing with. So the queries get really convoluted to understand. So to avoid that, like, what do we do?
No. We don't have any shortcuts for that. That's what we are here. I will make you to understand end to end, and then I will make you to learn the concepts very easily. If you learn yourself, then it will become a rocket science. If I explain with my experience, it will become a very spoon feeding. That is a difference. Understood? Even I was also a very normal student in my academics. Yes, it happens. That's it. You don't worry about that. I am here to explain all those things with very systematically and then easy to understanding way. Make sense, Mayank? Hello, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Audible.
No. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear.
Yeah, till now clear, sir.
Balvir. Balvir. Any doubts? Mayank. Any doubts?
No doubt as of now.
Okay. Sachin. Any doubts?
Will you be
No, sir,
sharing
no.
the learning notes and the PPT that you were using for explaining the concepts?
Everything I am going to share once. Everything I am going to share piece by piece once you made the registration with the institute. Everything piece by piece. Every piece I am going to share with you, guys.
Okay, fine.
Chalo guys, then actually as per our institute rules, we are allowing you guys for the first two sessions for the free. From tomorrow onwards, third session will be the like paid session. Just I'm sharing my bank details. So this is my bank detail, and then if you want to transfer the phone pay, and then this is my number, WhatsApp number, where you can send the screenshots. I am going to share this. I am going to share this in the chat box. Just copy it into your notepad somewhere, and then try to make the payments complete by tomorrow, and then we will proceed further. What do you say, guys?
Yeah, can you give one more demo, please?
Sure.